Here in this video we will show you how can I set up mailing list and how to apply limit to mailing list in my cPanel. If you would like to set up mailing list in your cPanel, then first of all let us understand that mailing list is a single email address which is used to send email to multiple email addresses. For example, your multiple employees. Now log into your cPanel and then go to mailing list which is given under email section. Now from here, you can create a new mailing list with any name, say shared. Enter the domain name and then enter the password. In this way, if someone will send an email to this email ID, this will be automatically delivered to multiple people. Now in order to define this, first of all we need to configure it. So click over delegation button in order to assign administrative rights to available users. Select multiple email accounts by pressing the control button and then you can simply drag them towards right side by clicking over right arrow. These email IDs will receive the emails directly into their inbox, whatever they get under the main email account. Now finally click over save. Now again in current list, go to manage button which is given in front of that list. Now from here you can configure various settings and limits. For example, under general options you can configure the list administrator email addresses. These are the admin email addresses where administrators have complete access to all of the settings. In the same way, you can also list moderator email addresses. They can moderate anything but do not have administrative rights. Similarly, you can configure other values and settings given at the bottom side. For example, send monthly password reminders, list specific text, and send welcome message to newly subscribed members. Such settings can be handled by the users like admins or moderators. Once you're done with all the settings by reading each and every line, simply click over Submit your changes. Now administrators and moderators can log into this page as per their limits via link sent to their emails. Now if anyone sends you an email to that shared mailing list email ID, it will automatically deliver those emails to multiple email addresses under the administrative accounts. Now if anyone sends you an email to that mailing list address, this will automatically deliver the same email to multiple email IDs of your staff or employees. For testing purpose, we are trying to send an email to the shared email address that we have created just now for mailing list. As soon as we send this email, if we check the webmail of further staff email accounts, we will find the same email getting arrived. This email has been sent to multiple email addresses which were enlisted under that mailing list. Now, administrators can also give approval. For example, if they click over View all messages from a specific email ID, they can simply check all the emails which are pending to be held for approval. They can reject, approve, or discard any email from reaching to any employee. The complete action can be governed right away from this page. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you are looking for a web hosting service with such mailing list features, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you.